pure power now. Close your eyes and let the gentle crackling of the flames draw you into a world of warmth and wonder. Each flame rises, twists, and falls, a timeless rhythm that whispers secrets of the earth and sky. Watch closely as the tiny stars born from the heart of the flame, fading into the soft embrace of the air. A power beyond imagination, and it is yours. A soft, inviting presence that soothes your body and calms your mind. With every flicker, every spark, the fire invites you to let go. Let go of tension, let go of worry. The fire is alive, yet serene, a reminder of nature's balance, its power and its peace. Let the flames speak to you in their silent language, their light and heat stirring something timeless within you. Breathe. You possess the strength of the fire. You can feel it in your bones. A power beyond imagination, and it is yours. You are becoming the master of your life. The flames are alive, breathing and swaying, a dance that has no end, no beginning. This is the ancient language of the fire, a story told in silence, a song you can feel but not hear. Let your thoughts drift like smoke rising into the air, light and free, dissolving into the infinite. Your pure power now. Breathe deeply. With every breath, you draw in the calm, the warmth, the essence of the fire itself. It fills you, grounding you, connecting you to the present moment. This immense power is always there, ready to be rekindled. The fire is your guide, your companion, your eternal light. Your pure power now. A power beyond imagination, and it is yours. You are becoming the master of your life. Your pure power now. A power beyond imagination, and it is yours. You possess the strength of the fire. Your pure power now. A power beyond imagination. Your pure power now. Let the fire remain with you, a spark within your soul, wherever you go, whatever you face, know that this warmth, this calm, this immense power is always there, ready to be rekindled. The fire is your guide, your companion, your eternal light. Your pure power now. Your pure power now.